Hi, everybody. Mike Epps, well, Mr. Epps to you here. Uh, we're headed over to Move Object to do some coding. So after I view the video clip and the user guide, I head about halfway down on the right, and I'm going to be able to see the same video clip, but attached to the code. So I'll have a good idea of how to get started with the code. I'll head back down to the software I'll use for this. Go to New Program, and I'll start building my code here by dragging up from the tabs we've learned about. When we're done, it's probably going to look something like this. And that's pretty handy. Now these connectors are kind of fun and interesting. When you have things snapped together like this, you can also have them stretched out and attached by a thin wire. If you tap on that bump out, click wire from here, it'll give you a radio signal like that. So click on bump out, wire from here, and connect. Bump out, wire from here, and connect. Good luck, have fun, and I think you're really going to enjoy this one.